In this episode, we look at another subordinate clause, one called the result clause. And there are really three things that you need to focus on to recognize this in Latin. First of all, it is signaled by a word like ita, tam, tantus, tot, or something else. And what I mean by signaled, these little words are not part of the result clause, but they let you know that a result clause is coming up. So they kind of work as a signal to say, hey, a little bit later in the sentence, there's going to be a result clause. Then the result clause itself is introduced either by ut or ut known. And this makes it easy to confuse with the purpose clause. Purpose clause can also be introduced by ut. Of course, the negative purpose clause is introduced by ne. The negative result clause is introduced by ut known. The other thing that's a little bit different is that the translations are simply that or that not. And then the third piece, which is definitely different from what you saw with the purpose clause. The result clause uses a subjunctive verb, but it is translated indicatively. And the best way to really get at this is just to see one in action. So let's take a look at this sentence, and if you need to pause the video to copy it, please do so, and then press play. But we have Atalanta erat tam pulchra, ut omnes pueri eam amarent. So once you have that copied, go ahead and underline the signal word, put brackets around the result clause, and underline the subjunctive verb. Again, pause the video while you do that, and then press play to check your work. You should have underlined tam as the signal word, put brackets around ut through amarent, and then underlined amarent, which is our imperfect subjunctive verb. Go ahead and pause the video again and see if you can translate that sentence. So the translation is Atalanta was so beautiful. There's the tam modifying pulchra. She was so beautiful that, here's the result, all the boys loved her. So you can kind of see how that works. Now let's try one more example. Go ahead and copy this one. Atalanta erat tam celer, ut non pueri eam superarent. Once you have that copied, do the same thing. Underline the signal word, put brackets around the result clause, underline the subjunctive verb, and this time go ahead and underline the ut known as well. And you should have underlined tam as the signal word again, and this time superarent as the imperfect subjunctive. Of course, putting brackets around the ut and then after superarent. Go ahead and pause the video as you try to translate that sentence. And you should have come up with Atalanta was so fast that the boys did not beat her. So result clause is a very common one, like purpose clause. You'll be seeing it a lot, and that's how those work.